Lately, there has been so much talk about XRP. All these investors and analysts have only one thing to say: buy the dip no matter the risk. Stay tuned to know exactly what did Raoul say about XRP. Watch till the end to find out how this will double your money. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure to enable all your notifications to our channel to keep up with all the hottest secrets in the world of XRP. Without further adu, let's dive in. The price of XRP has retraced to a steady support floor after failing to sustain gains made on September 22. While a rally appears to be on the horizon, Ripple will be met with psychological resistance. Ripple has been in a long-running legal dispute with the Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States. While a resolution to the litigation does not appear to be imminent, CEO Brad Garlinghouse mentioned the possibility of a settlement in a recent interview.
Having said that, I'm not opposed to a settlement.
For Ripple to consider a settlement, the SEC must clarify what XRP is on a go-forward basis, he noted. On a similar point, Ripple board member Rosie Rios tweeted on September 28th that the use cases for XRP and BTC are not the same. She cited China's decision to back up her claim that the huge crypto is nothing more than a speculative instrument. XRP's primary purpose is facilitating cross-border payments, while other #cryptos find their value in speculation. China's latest move brings this point home. Rios's tweet drew a lot of backlashes, but the next day she clarified her intentions. Want to clarify that, in my opinion, while Ripple is committed to the cross-border use case, developers globally every day are pursuing other use cases, including store of value, medium of exchange, etc., for multiple blockchains/cryptos. The CEO of Real Vision and global macro investor reveals why he remains bullish on the crypto asset in a recent interview with Savvy Finance. Despite a lawsuit brought by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, Raoul claims that the global payments asset XRP has a favorable risk-reward ratio, SEC.
XRP is a great risk-reward, right? The lawsuit, we've seen every lawsuit, every single one has been a fine.
Everyone.
Slap on the wrist, because everybody's actually cleared up after the event anyway. And these events were a while ago. BitMEX, that's happening. We're going to see all of this. So I think it's going to be a slap on the wrist, that it could have looked like a security. There'll be no admission of guilt on either side. There'll be a payment of a fine, and then XRP is free to run.
Despite the possibility that Ripple could lose its legal battle with authorities, Powell believes it is still worthwhile to invest in XRP.
Worst case, it doesn't. Worst case is, let's say, 50% downside. Best case is 10x from here. So I'll take a 50-to-1 risk reward for the next 3 to 6 months.
Andrew Lokanoth, a Goldman Sachs analyst, feels that the Ripple XRP will likely take the lead as the public coin as soon as the Ripple Foundation can overcome its difficulties with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The main benefits of implementing the Ripple protocol are speed and lower risk, according to Lokanoth. Ripple XRP is a cost-effective and time-consuming alternative to SWIFT. He goes on to say that Ripple employs the Ripple protocol and can provide a far faster and less expensive interbank payment infrastructure. It will help financial institutions and enterprises to move money around the world quickly and efficiently. RippleNet is a blockchain-based platform that allows banks and other financial organizations to transmit money across borders. Think of it as blockchain meets SWIFT. The specialist is projecting far into the future in the event that the SWIFT banking protocol meets its counterpart in the form of blockchains and Ripple. This situation is in a unique position since it is sandwiched between the cryptocurrency and fiat worlds. As a bridge, its primary goal is to maximize the power of the network by generating as many transactions as feasible. Ripple XRP's unique selling point in this case was cross-border payments. In countries where a single payment of $2,000 takes days to reach the rightful owner of the funds, Ripple XRP has had this distinct selling factor for quite some time. Lokanoth is convinced that the foundation will give the financial world and the public initial public offering, IPO, significant moments as soon as the foundation's legal difficulties with the SEC are resolved.
How can this be resolved?
The price of Ripple XRP is consolidating in a symmetrical triangle structure, with prices evenly squeezed in from both sides. Since September 7, the broad downturn has remained strong and appears to be determining future XRP price movements. XRP sellers will go for the monthly S1 support level to target booking profit with intermediary support at 84 cents. On the chart, XRP price movement has formed a symmetrical triangle with an even test on the downside and upside. Both bears and bulls have dipped their toes into this formation to test how strong or weak it is. But for the time being, it appears to be a level playing field. Bears, on the other hand, are still in control of the price action thanks to three factors working in their favor. The 200-day simple moving average, SMA, around 96 cents, initially acts as a price ceiling for XRP. The 200-day SMA is a substantial and crucial component as it previously served as a price cap, dampening any further potential upside. The Daily Relative Strength Index, RSI, is sub 50, but not yet breaching the oversold barrier, which is a second reason for XRP price being bearish. This offers bearish greater room to push the price of XRP even lower. Overall, bears have the upper hand here as sentiment has been in a downturn since September 7. Ripple's demand to obtain the trading histories of SEC staff was just refused, according to a recent revelation.
I agree. Motion denied.
As it begins its uptrend, the price of XRP appears to have bottomed at 88 cents. The sudden bullishness following the drop due to China's crackdown is driving this surge. Ripple is expected to hit the first stumbling block at 96.6 cents, which is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. By removing this roadblock, a retest of the $1 psychological barrier will be possible. While this ceiling proved key support from September onwards, as the price tested it nearly 5 times until the bears pushed through on September 20, it will take a massive burst in buying pressure to break it in the future. If the bulls manage to break through $1, the rise might extend to $1.13.5 and $1.23.6. This increase from current levels to $1.23.6 would be a 35% increase. The purchasers must break over the $1 barrier, and if they do not, it will be seen as a sign of weakness. Any increase in selling pressure could drive the remittance token to the 62% Fibonacci retracement level of 85.6 cents, which is now at 85.6 cents. The bullish thesis will be invalidated if this support floor is breached, resulting in a lower low. With this, we have come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered as financial advice. We all know that the crypto market is highly volatile, and by the time you watch this video, the prices would have changed to a whole new level. So all the financial decisions should be made after doing your wide-spectrum research. Do you agree with Raoul Pal and Andrew Lokanoth? What's your opinion on the matter? Tell us in the comments down below. Also, make sure that you like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the latest crypto news.